welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngogogo ke uSkhotheni. Angazi guys isase safe nosimbize ngogogo uSkhotheni, but ke inkundla zokuxhumana I should still use that name yokuthi ugogo uSkhotheni. Well guys, recently upostile ke bakithi washo ukuthi ke undodakazi wakhe benomonde uLiana is going for eye surgery. Njowana ze guys ukuthi ke ihlo lika Liana eli1 belingavuleki kahle, angiyazi condition yakhona ukuthi ibizwa ngani, but nje belivalekile li1 kodwa libone hayi ukuthi belingaboni, belibona kodwa livalekile, livuleke kancane and lelinye libona kahle ke. So guys, she had to go for that surgery, and ke guys ke usesikhombisile ukuthi cha bakithi uyalulama kahle impela ke undodakazi, ihlo lakhe seli right nje impela, futhi umsizile kakhulu, and ke abantu bambonga ke inkundla zokuxhumana ukuthi yazini she is a present mom ngampela, because simbonile futhi nakuMonde Junior ukuthi wayezama kanjani, but unfortunately azange ke umntwana aphile. But ke manje guys siyambona futhi ukuthi ke wenza ke i-operation for umntwana wakhe ke la ehlweni, and use right impela, use right ke impela ke uLiana. Abantu ke shame on social media noma ke kuma comment section ke bebefisela ke indodakazi yakhe ke a speed recovery. That brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share your message to the little princess uLiana. Bye.